Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with this set of 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black finish with a negative 44mm offset in these 35x1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter Mud Terrain tires in a 12 ply. Now these Moto Metals, they're offered in a gloss black, a chrome, a PVD, which is a chrome spoke with a gloss black lip, and a satin gray finish. They're offered in a 17, 18, 20, and 22 inch wheel, anything from a 17x10 to a 22x14. So all of the sizes, you can get them in these wheels. They're some of the most popular wheels on the market. They're just a clean 8-spoke design. With that being said, these 35-inch Fury Mud Terrain tires, Fury is getting more and more popular as the days go on, and they're getting more and more expensive. People are loving their Furies, and they're loving the sizes you can get in Furies. The fact that you can get a 28-inch rim in a Fury Mud Terrain tire. So this Mud Terrain tire is closer to a hybrid tire than a Mud Terrain tire. For the amount that you pay for it, I absolutely love the tire. If you're expecting this tire to beat out like a BFG or a Toyo or a Nitto, it's not really going to do that, but the fact that you're paying half the price might persuade you to purchase it anyway. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, these tires balance pretty well. That front driver's side asked for 2 ounces. This one was 2.5, 3.5, so they're balancing pretty well as well. So again, questions, comments, leave them. My name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.